What's going on, the YouTubes? This is Sidney Cumbie once again with yet another makeup video. So, I wanted to do something different. I don't do a lot of gore makeups anymore. I wanted to do some gore makeup, and I did not want to do it on Gordon Tarpley. I do everything on Gordon Tarpley. I wanted to change it up and use a different model. So I used Jacquelyn Coon. Of course, I've used Jacquelyn Coon for a lot of different makeups, but I thought I'd change it up, do a female model this time, and I did some gore makeup. I just wanted to make Jackie look like she was attacked by bear, a werewolf, some animal, and just make her dead. Just put her down as a dead body, and she's all clawed up. And that's what I did in this video. All RBFX prosthetics, of course, because RBFX prosthetics are my favorite prosthetics to use. So make sure you guys go check out RBFX because it's awesome. And okay, I just want to thank also Male Products for providing the PAX paint. I use 9mm SFX lenses in this. I use Delium Tools brushes in this video because Delium Tools FX brushes are my favorite brushes, as well as I used some I used PPI Premier Products Telesis 5 to glue this down because I love Telesis 5, as well as European Body Art airbrush colors and palette colors to paint this makeup. So that said, look man, it's a simple gore makeup. I say simple. I was having a lot of trouble with this makeup. I was not happy with this makeup until the very end when I started filming it, and it looked good on camera. That's all I really want. As long as it looks good on camera, then I did my job, because that is the job of a makeup artist. It looks good on camera, then you're good to go. So yeah, let's just make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want in the comments below. If you want something different, I try to do tutorials. It's kind of tough for me because I'm super busy, but I try, guys. You try, okay? But until next time, guys, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Bye. So how you doing?